Just a quick video on how to vacuum a bare bottom fish tank. This is a discus bare tank, 60 gallon, split in half. I like to put the vacuum in the water, lift it up, and then put it back down. That's just to start the siphon. And on a bare bottom tank, I like to drag the vacuum flat on the tank so that everything collects towards the end over there on the other side, and you can actually, it removes a lot less water than vacuuming like this. And you can actually scrape everything too, and it makes everything nice and clean as you go along. Some will go up, and then you just go back and forth, picking everything up. I just fed them, and pretty much get everything from the bottom of the tank. That's pretty clean. I'm gonna do the other side right there, and then I take my filter cloth and I'm gonna wipe. After wiping, some stuff is going to settle on the bottom again, but it's going to be very easy to remove them. Yeah, these guys were supposed to confirm, but they ate the babies. So now that that side is done, I'm going to wait for everything to settle on the bottom, and now I will get everything that's on this side. Same thing. And then I try to get it without disturbing the fish, or not startling the fish, so that they don't disturb the stuff that I'm trying to vacuum up. Because if they move around too much, it's going to mess everything up, and I'm going to end up with a whole bunch of stuff flying around the water column. So pretty much that's what I do. And then I'll take this again and just wipe everything down. All the stuff that's suspended in the water, you can actually take a fine mesh net and scoop everything out if you don't want to vacuum everything again. I will vacuum this again later on after everything settles, but for now, just wanted to do a video showing how I vacuum this bare bottom tank, and there's like just stuff on the bottom. So for the most part, the tanks are clean. Glass and everything. And that's my video.